Hi, my name is Chris with Finalizing Irrigation, and today I'm going to show you how to repair a T on a PVC pipe. So as you can see, what I have in front of me is a T and a PVC pipe. Let's say that this pipe is in the ground and we notice that this area is saturated. So we expose of the pipe and we find out that this T has a crack in it. So the first thing we want to do is dig out a big enough hole so we can create flexibility in the horizontal pipe. So where do we go from there? So we cut out the T. So now that the T is cut out, so now we need to put it together. So what do we need to repair this pipe? Well, for the sake of the demonstration, we're not going to use it, but typically we will use PVC cement. So we're going to do a dry connection. All right, so some of the parts that we're going to need, obviously, is our PVC cutters. We're going to need a new T, some pipe, 2 couplers, and a slip fix. So now we're going to figure out which side has the most flexibility. Let's say, for example, that this side has the most flexibility. So we're going to put our coupler together and we're going to cut our pipe to size. Let's say we cut our pipe to size and it's already cut to size. And then we're going to glue on our T, and then we're going to glue this piece into here. So now that we have flex on this side, what we need to do next is take our coupler, glue on this side, and again, get a piece of pipe. We're going to measure it, obviously, and make sure it's the right size. And then we're going to glue in this piece here. And with the flexibility on this side, now we're able to bend it back and connect the pipe like that. So now we need to put together this side. So what do we need? A slip fix. So what we do is extend this piece all the way out, and we will measure it, and we will mark where we need to cut. So let's just say we will cut here. We'll glue this piece in, push it in, and because we already measure it, now all we have to do once we apply the cement on here and here, all we have to do is extend it out, and it goes into there like that. So this is how you repair a PVC T.